Huwag mong kalimutan kung gaano ka kamahal ng Diyos. Don't forget that you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan natin ang ating halaga sa mata ng Diyos because of what other people tell us and because of our painful experiences as well. Parang nawawalan ka ng self-worth, ang baba ng tingin mo sa sarili mo, na parang wala kang magagawang tama or hindi ka magsasucceed. Pero alam mo, you're more gifted and capable than you think. It all starts in how we think and also our attitude. Pero yung pinaka-basic talaga is in remembering that we are loved, and with that love, our gifts. The right approach really is not to compare ourselves with other people, but to focus on what you have at ano yung pwede mong gawin sa anong meron ka. Kaya huwag kalimutan na ikaw ay ginawang magaling. Pero siguro baka hindi mo pa na-discover yung genius mo, or maybe you know it already, kaso lang nahihiya ka at tinatago mo. Believe in the blessings that God has given you, lalong-lalo na yung talent mo. If you allow God to shine through you, maraming mabibless, lalong-lalo na yung pamilya mo. And lastly, huwag kalimutan magpasalamat sa Diyos. Thank Him for His love. Thank Him for what you already have right now. And thank Him for the blessings that you will receive in the future.